guys, assalamu alaikum, and I'm back with another video. So, it's quite late. It's almost 11 o'clock at night. And I thought, I've got this video in my plan for today, for the planner, and it's the only thing I've got left to do for this half of the week. Because you know, like on your planner, you've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then on the next page you've got Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday, dead small. Well, all the jobs that I've got listed for things I need to do craft and work wise, I've completed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So the only one thing that I have left that I didn't do is my craft video, so I wanted to go to bed tonight with that whole page ticked off. So I didn't want to leave it, even though it's very, very late. I'm super tired, and yeah, you know me, my list. I just didn't want to leave it. I don't think I'd have slept well if I left it. So how you all doing? I'm doing alright. I have kind of second, third, fourth wind at the moment. You know when you're a bit tired and you get a bit too much energy, but then you know that it's all just going to crash and burn very soon. That's where I am at the moment. So, I have 2 finished objects this week. I have the Fingerless Knittings, so I have all the ends sewn in everything, and I did the thumbs. But I can't show you those because I posted them out this morning. So, that's that, but they are very nice. I've wrote up the pattern, I've charged my camera obviously because I'm using it, and I am going to start filming the tutorial tomorrow because I don't have to go anywhere, I don't have to do anything other than homeschooling. The rest of my list is done for this half of the week, so tomorrow, excuse me, so tomorrow I am going to start filming that, so I'll do the introduction and I'll do maybe the first part of the pattern. So yeah, how cool is that? Right, so the second finished object I have done is my Christmas Eve cast on, which was the Pebble socks by Mina Phillips. Now I don't have the pattern wrote down or printed out or anything like that because it's one of the easiest patterns in the world and I've been making this same pattern for years. So I don't need the instructions, but here it is. So this is merino, nylon and stellina stock yarn. So this is yarn that we dyed ourselves. I can't remember who dyed it, either me or the kids. Can you see that really nice sparkle? Love it. So either me or the kids dyed this. I can't remember who did it. It's a really nice colour, and I've said it before, it reminds me of those old fashioned sweets, like you got the blackjacks and the fruit salads. Reminds me of the fruit salads. And then this is what it looks like on a foot with my footy mannequin. This camera's really picking up the glitz through the viewfinder. I like that. Like disco ball. So they're my finished objects. So I've wrote them down in my little book. You know, like I'm measuring everything. Well, I'm weighing everything that I make and then giving myself points. So I'm going to give myself like money to go shopping for more wool. Not that I need it, but I do want to. I do want to buy another set of clover crochet hooks because I'm sick of swapping and changing between projects because they're the only hooks that I'll use now. And you know, you want a spare, don't you? You want spare sizes. So yeah, I want another set of those, and as you know, they're quite expensive. So yeah. I think that's what this challenge is going to pay for. It's going to pay for those. But also I want some more sock needles. Not just sock needles, but you know the 9-inch circular needles. I want them for sleeves and things. So I think I want a 4.5mm. I'm going to get another 2.25mm. And a 4mm. So yeah, those are the things that I want to buy with my kind of credits, kind of the money that I make from this kind of challenge thingy. So I was using up all of my stash, because I have a lot of stash. So, my works in progress. I have a few. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. I thought I had more than that. I have 5. So, this week I have been working on everything. Like everything. I even got out UFO and started working on that as well. So, this one is the June jacket. So, I sewed the pieces together. Did I show you the sewed together last time? I can't remember. But, they're sewed together and I've worked the border. So now, I just need to do the band up here. The collar button band thing, but there's no buttons going on it. So yeah, that's that. I love this yarn. It's from Hobby. It's called I Love Yarn. And okay, yarn, yeah, We Love Yarn. Mega ball. So this is DK weight. It's a 400 gram ball, and it's from Hobby, the online shop Hobby. Where are they from? Are they from Denmark or somewhere? Denmark, Norway. I don't know. Does it say it on it? No, it doesn't say. I can't remember where the shop's from. Somewhere like that. Somewhere's near those parts. Methinks. So yeah, that's that one. So I'm hoping that one will be finished this week. I've got it on my list to be finished on Friday. So then we have, I've been working on the flax jumper for the boys. So last time I showed you just the the collar. So now I've done the yolks. So that's what the jumper's going to look like. And it's got, see if they got a picture of the side. I don't know, so there's the family wearing it. And then, I don't know how clear you can see. I don't know. Most people have seen the flax jumper anyway. But if you haven't, you'll see the side panel up when I finish mine. So, with Usman's, I have done just past separating for the sleeves. So this is the fleck yarn I'm using. There's the garter stitch panel that's going to go down the sides. So yeah, this is lovely, and he's in love with it. He really likes it. So yeah, he can't wait for that to be done. So it's very soft and nice. I kind of want one in this wool now. So that one's his. So then, like I'm doing them in tandem, I did one collar, the other collar. This one's to separating for the sleeves. And now here's Jamal's. Oh, that one's not Jamal's. Now here's Jamal's. So this one I'm using, so that yarn was Woolcraft DK. This one is Ice Yarns, Magic Lights. And here's how it's looking so far. With those colours. And there's the garter panel. I forgot, right, I'm used to filming on my phone now. So, I'm not used to things going backwards with this camera. You know, you turn it one way, you really should be turning it the other way. But yeah, this is Jamal so far. I'm almost up to the point where you separate for the sleeves. So before I go to sleep tonight, I'm going to get it to the point where Usman's is. Then, I can tick this off my list for Thursday. You know, I'm addicted to this list this week. I just want to feel so productive. I love feeling productive. I love doing those ticks It makes you feel so good. See, I love planners. But it's really weird though, so I've got my file of facts for my work and craft stuff. And on that one I tick when I've done something, just nice little ticks on the side. But my file of facts for my family life, like cleaning, cooking, meal planning, appointments, like everything. And for that, on my list, I highlight it. I don't know why I do different things, but I just do. It's the way my mind's working at the moment. And I don't even really like the highlighter. It looks too in your face and scruffy. But I don't know. I just have to do it at the moment. There's just something that's forcing me to do it. So, bit of useless information about my planner life. But oh well, that's those projects. And I'm also working on Mission Tank. I can't find the book for it. I've put the book somewhere, so I can't show you the pattern right now. But if you saw in the summer, I think it was in the summer, I got the book 21 Crochet Garments. Yeah. 21 Crochet Tanks and Tunics, the book was called. And in this there was a mission tank. And I made the tank before. It was like little granny squares up there and then striped body with the different colours on the granny squares. So this one, I'm just doing in 2 colours. Mainly just the purple. I'm doing it in this purple and this beige kind of, this burgundy kind of sparkler. So this is going to be the squares for the yoke and shoulder straps. And then I'm going to do the whole body in this purple. So this purple is Stylecraft Special DK. And this, I think this was a James C. Brett. James C. Brett. I can't remember. I lost the ball band a while ago. I made a hat out of this and this is what's left. I knit a hat. But yeah, I don't have the ball band. This was just a scrap. So I'm going to do the whole body in this purple and then just a stripe or a couple of stripes at the bottom. I'm going to add this to it so it'll tie in with these squares at the top. So I don't know how it'll look. I'm not really good at seeing the end product, but give it a go, why not? It gets rid of this scrap ball and then it might look nice. I wanted to do something purple. I started this before I started that lilac jacket, so why not? And my jolly jumper that I did the pattern for, oof, my foot was stuck in my cardigan. So my jolly jumper that I did the pattern for last year, and I really loved it. I made it in the green out of the Christmas wool that Jan got me. I really loved it. I still do. I still wear it so much. But I wanted another one in another colour. So I'm making it for myself in another colour. So that's the picture on the pattern. And I've done the front and back. So I need to sew these 2 together and then do the sleeves. So I'm working it up. It's Aran weight, 400 gram ball, and this is Woolcraft Aran knitting. And the colour is, it's shade number 16. So it's kind of like a grey, like a really pale bluey grey. I can't describe it. I don't know how to describe this. It's kind of a really pale bluey grey. Kind of. So, here's the back piece. So it's kind of like a crop jumper. So there's the back piece. And the front piece. So this will go nice with a lot of different colours. I'm thinking mainly my blue dress. But it'll go nice with a lot of things. Just like my green one goes nice with most things that I wear. I just want a different colour in it. I think, you know when you really like something, you want it in all the colours, don't you? Well, I wanted it in at least one other colour. But I really like the fit and the style, you know, to go with the dresses that I wear. So I might design some more jumpers, like, to this shape. Because I enjoy wearing them. And I want more for my wardrobe. And if I'm making them for my wardrobe, I might as well write them up. But I want to do a tutorial for this jumper as well. But I'm only going to do it in one size, and then you'd have to buy the pattern for the rest of the sizes. Because I have to make some money sometimes, don't I? Right, and that's everything. That is all I have for you today. So hopefully, if I have time, I'm going to do another video at the end of the week if I finish any of these projects. Now, I've got wrote down to finish this week the June jacket and that jolly jumper. Both JJs. So yeah, if I stick to my productivity, if I stick to what I'm doing, then I'll get those done, and then I'll make a video maybe on Friday. And then show off those. I'll show them off. Right then, so that is me. Lost my remote again, I forgot all about this. There we are. Right then, I'm going to love you, I'm going to leave you. Thank you all for joining me, thank you all for sticking with me. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for putting up with me. Have a great crafting time. Hope you're all surviving the lockdown, and I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Bye. Come on.